Nature is smart at the gateway of Islamabad, presenting the ultra-modern and technologically smart, close to nature and eco-friendly residential community of the Twin City, Saffron City, Islamabad. Ideally located at the gateway of Islamabad in the most thriving part of Rawalpindi, Saffron City is a smart and self-sustaining community to turn your everyday living into luxury, comfort and convenience. Smart, scenic location. 25 minutes from 0 Point Islamabad. 5 minutes from Giga Mall, Rawalpindi. In close proximity to DHA Islamabad and Bahria Town, Rawalpindi. 1 minute from the proposed Rawalpindi Ring Road. Smart, nature-friendly infrastructure. 350 feet grand, tree-lined main boulevard, the broadest boulevard in the region. Wide roads and streets. Scenic landscaping, Miyawaki forest, bird parks and botanical gardens. Footpaths and promenades, jogging and cycling tracks. Natural lake, dancing fountains, concert arenas,